Sawadika. I'm Chef Vanda of Ayara Thai, and today we're going to be making a Thai-inspired Thanksgiving feast. Thanksgiving is the American side of being Thai-American, and as we celebrate over the years, we try our best to incorporate Thai herbs and spices like gawanga, lemongrass, Thai chili, and limes. Today we'll be making a Thai turkey using fish sauce, lime juice, Thai chili, and garlic. We'll also be making tom kha mashed potatoes with lemongrass and gawanga, and a Brussels sprouts and cauliflower that is roasted using a special Thai sauce that consists of garlic, white pepper, and cilantro root.